Hi, I'm Scott Hanselman. Thanks for downloading Visual Studio. While you're downloading, let's take a moment and familiarize you with some of the features of Visual Studio. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to open a project from source control. Be sure to check out the other videos while you're waiting. Let's take a look. Visual Studio has a lot of great features, but one of my favorites is that it understands source control, right? It understands that you're connected to a hosted service provider. So while you can have local Git repositories and you can get third-party extensions to support varying source control systems, it knows about Visual Studio Team Services and GitHub built right in. So I'm going to click Connect and put in my GitHub password. I have two-factor authentication, so I'm going to enter in that as well. And now you can see that it knows I'm logged into GitHub. So I'm going to hit clone. And I'm actually going to pull directly from my GitHub repository. And I think I had a project that was called Windows Wi-Fi Manager. So I'm going to go ahead and clone that into this local folder. Now, just to be clear, this is this project. This is the same project from GitHub, but I'm able to clone it directly from within Visual Studio using GitHub for Visual Studio. So I hit clone. It opens the repository. I can double click on it, see the changes and pull requests, see the information that people care about on this particular project. You notice that it immediately opens GitHub. So I've got a nice integration between the two. And then I can actually open that solution directly in Visual Studio. So now I've opened this from source control. If I click now on Solution Explorer, there's my source code. So Visual Studio allows you to manage your source control, whether it be in GitHub or Visual Studio Team Services, from directly within the IDE. Remember that an IDE is an integrated development environment, so I don't have to leave to make changes. I can even see open issues. And it looks like I have some. I better get working on those. They're pretty old. I hope you have as much fun with Visual Studio as we had building it.